Okay guys, this next one can be a really tough one. So you may want to be up on the counter at first, like a lot higher than this one. But what these are called are plank up downs. So you'll notice once again, my arms going up and then down. And then we're switching sides and then down. So you'll notice I come to my left hand. See how my back doesn't move? Left hand, and then I'm down on my left, and then I'm switching sides. Okay, and then back down. So notice my back doesn't move. You can go all the way up to high counter to make these easier. Okay, after you get that mastered for the high counter, what you want to do is be in a kneeling position. Okay, and so what you're going to do, nice flat back. See how my core doesn't move? Slow and controlled. Okay, so you don't want to be just throwing yourself up there. Okay, slow control. These are a tough one. All right, now the hardest progression on this one's really tough. So we're gonna come up here, nice controlled, try to stop the movement, and then down. When you do these controlled, they're really difficult. Okay guys, for